Hello my dear students. Today in this video we will read chapter 7 Bouquet of Flowers means फूलों का गुलदस्ता. So let's read the chapter and exercise related to it. Alisha wants to make a bouquet of flowers. She is picking flowers from her garden. Name the flowers looking at the pictures. Take help from the clue box. Students, in this chapter, pictures of 7 different flowers have been given to us, and by the help of these pictures and clue box, we have to identify the names of flowers given here. So now I am going to show you the clue box given below these pictures. Look children, this is the clue box. Let's read the names of the flowers given in it. Jasmine, lily, sunflower, marigold, rose, tulip and lavender. Alright students, now we have come to the first picture. Can you tell which flower is this? Correct. It is lily. And the spelling of the word is Lily. Lily. Now we have come to the second picture. Students, this flower is well known to all of you. And it is called rose. Spelling of the word rose is R-O-S-E, rose. Okay, this is the third picture and this flower is called sunflower. Spelling of the word is S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Children, this flower is known as Surajmukhi in Hindi. Now children, we have come to the fourth picture. Children, guess which flower is this? Good, it is marigold. And the spelling of the word is M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Alright, now this is the fifth picture, and in this picture the flower which is given is known as tulip. Spelling of the word is T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Alright students, now we have come to the sixth picture, and I would like to tell you that this flower is known as lavender, students, and the spelling of the word is L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R, lavender. Now children, this is the seventh and the last picture of this chapter, and this flower is known as jasmine. Spelling of the word is J-A-S-M-I-N-E. Children, jasmine is called chameli in Hindi. Alright, so here we have completed our chapter. Now we will revise it once. First flower is called lily. Second is rose. Third flower is known as sunflower. Fourth is marigold. Fifth flower is known as tulip. Sixth is lavender. And the seventh and the last flower is known as jasmine. Alright students, here we have also revised the chapter once. Now it is your homework that you will learn the names of all the 7 flowers given in this chapter, as well as you will write it 2 times in your rough copy. Thank you, students, and do take care of yourselves.